In this video, we're going to calculate the rate of return on a coupon bond. So we're going to start with the person who buys a bond today at a face value for $1,000. This bond pays a 6% coupon interest payment, or $60 a year. The bond matures in 10 years. 1 year from now, you're going to sell your bond when interest rates increase to 9%. And what we'll do is figure out what your rate of return equals. The formula for the rate of return is just going to be the current yield at purchase date plus the capital gain. And specifying this further, the rate of return will be the coupon payment divided by the bond's purchase price. That will be the current yield. And then the capital gain is going to be the bond's price when sold minus the bond's purchase price, all divided by the bond's purchase price. So when you got the bond, you're getting this $60 coupon payment per year, and you paid $1,000 for the bond. 1 year from now, you're going to sell your bond. We're going to have to figure what that is out on the next screen. The purchase price again was $1,000, so I have $1,000 here and $1,000 here. So what we need to do is solve for the bond's price when sold. So when you're going to sell this bond 1 year from now, there'll be 9 years left on the bond till it matures. The coupon payment will still be $60, but interest rates now in the economy are 9%. The face value is still $1,000. We're going to use this Excel command, so we can plug this into Excel. And just we're going to solve here for the bond's price. So here the rate now, the interest rates in the economy are 9% or 0.09. There's 9 years left to maturity. The coupon payment is $60, and when the bond matures, you'll get the $1,000 face value back. Plugging that into cell in Excel, you will get a price of $820.14. Just ignore the minus sign. So that's what this bond will sell for 1 year from now, $820.14 when interest rates rise. And you'll notice here, as interest rates increased, the bond price decreased. So now going back to our rate of return, 60 divided by 1,000. This is just a current yield when you bought the bond. And then $820.14 is what you sell the bond 1 year from now, minus what you bought the bond for today, divided by what you bought the bond for today. And calculating that, you have a negative return of 13%. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful.